Behold the newest foundation of comfort. The Better Than a Boxspring Queen Mattress Riser is an all-in-one support system that takes the place of an ordinary bed frame and box spring. The metal unit sets up quickly and without using any tools. Creates a sleep haven with unwavering support. Included brackets attach the riser to a headboard. Even better, the clearance from frame to floor is incredibly spacious and ideal for under-bed storage. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Mattress Riser. Storage and reliable support all in one. What a convenient unit. This riser allows you to take advantage of additional storage space underneath. Number 2. Sturdy construction. All metal frame construction with headboard brackets included. Number 3. Under-bed storage. The tall clearance leaves tons of space for you to keep storage bins and boxes under the bed. Number 4. Queen size. Measures 59 inches width by 79 inches depth by 14 inches height to accommodate a queen-size bed. Number 5. Quick setup. Follow instructions for fast, easy assembly. No tools are needed. A mattress is available and sold separately. Number 6. Direct from the manufacturer. Ashley Furniture goes the extra mile to package, protect, and deliver your purchase in a timely manner. Number 7. Buy with confidence. Designed and manufactured by Ashley Furniture Industries, the trusted source for stylish furniture, lighting, rugs, accessories, and mattresses for every taste and budget. Number 8. Low-profile foundation. Support your mattress with a stylish low-profile black full foundation. The foundation's low profile is an excellent choice for those who do not like to sleep high off the ground or want to get in and out of bed comfortably. Number 9. Better Than Boxspring Mattress Riser. An all-in-one support system that takes the place of an ordinary bed frame and box spring. The metal unit sets up quickly and without using any tools. Creates a sleep haven with unwavering support. Number 10. Non-skid top foundation. The 1-to-2 combination of a supportive mattress and well-built foundation is just what you need for restful sleep. Smooth non-skid surface holds every style of mattress in place, including hybrid, memory foam, and innerspring mattresses, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.